are going to love the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, heated front seats, power moonroof, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.